I'm literally waiting for the time to go by. Oh! Sorry. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another, actually, not another video. It's a full, unboxing. I don't know if you can see the box. It doesn't have my address on it, I don't think. I'm not holding a knife. Don't do this out. Yeah, it has my address. Not on the side, this side. Quick glance. Oh! You saw nothing. Well, let's see what this is about. I don't know if you saw that. Yeah, really. Let's do this. Okay, I don't have anything to set my camera for. I'll have to do this. No, I doubt you guys can really see this, but, let's start right up here. You know what? I'll be right back when I got this box undone. I'll keep it staring at the ceiling. Please don't jam it. I can see my arm, my head. Hi. Oh, my dog's going downstairs. That's not good. Oh, I gotta cut it on the other side. Sorry. That's more smoother now. Okay, I see. She didn't want to show my address. Okay, so just to let you know, this is not my package, so I don't really want to show what it is, but it's pretty cool. Wait, is it mine? No. I'll show you a cool thing though. Watch this. The Ruby flavor. No, I'm just kidding. It's cardboard. I'm not showing you. I know what it is. Sucks to be you. Sucks to be you. Eat icebreakers. They're awesome. Or can you read it that way? Oh, that's upside down. I don't know, just read it, but eat icebreakers. I covered it. What did I do? No, get me out of here. What is this video about? Hey, as I'm at it, I'm showing my kitties. That are cute. No, that's my... Just get me to my camera. Jeez. So I did a video on my kittens. Sorry about the grayish.